So I'm going to walk you through what you get if you update to iOS 26 public beta 1. So I have done the Keybench test yesterday. This is iPhone 12 mini running on public beta. So the score is great. Single core, just a little bit lower than the original one, the original version of iOS. iPhone 12 mini launching with iOS 14, so just a little bit slower, but basically everything is smooth. See that? Smooth. Everything is smooth. So this is the glass wallpaper, the glass icon, so you will be hard to see. So I want to show you everything. The photo, this is what you get. See, and this is the new section that you cannot change now. Even reorder, maybe a box, reorder, you cannot reorder that. See, reorder that. So this is what you get on public beta. The camera, new UI, swipe, new way to control the mode, swipe, 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 swipe. See, fast, smooth, reliable. And note, this is note. I do this because I see the liquid glass here. Glass, see that? Glass, glass, glass. You know, a reminder, this is how it looks. A little bit of glass. What else? What else? iMessage. My friend asked me. Currently we are at war. Sadly, I haven't replied him yet. Because this is the morning, just wake up. So this is the iMessage. See that? When you heart it, see? When you type it, it will move. I will answer you soon, my friend. And iBooks. This is iBook. Now it's white. The glass effect is back. See, when you're in iBooks, you can still turn a page the same. You have the new menu, a little bit of glass. See, a little bit of glass here. What else? Safari. This is Safari. See. What else? Bookmarks. Like this. After Safari, sitting. This is sitting. And I have bugged with my about page. It crashed. So yeah. App Store. This is App Store. See? When you want to search here. New way, new keyboard, you know. Phone call, the phone app. This is the phone app, the brand new phone app. You can choose to use classic. This is normal, you have call and missed call, classic. Or you can do a modify. Modify, you can choose missed call, you can choose voicemail, or you can choose just call. So clean. Contact or clean, right? And what else? Podcast, purple. Search here. Everything is down here for Pro Max version. Everything is down there. Activity. Sharing activity, green, same. File, this is file, same. And what else? Music, everybody testing with music, test the liquid glass with music, but there's liquid glass is everywhere, you know. So now it's loading. They offer again, see the glass, not really glass, it's frosted. So what else? Because I don't see many people show you what it look like on every app. Like I see one command, I just want to see more with all the app. So yeah, the class, there's no white version of calculator, see, no dark mode, but show here it's dark. And calendar don't allow, I don't like it. What else? Calendar, clock also dark. There's no light mode on clock, no new redesign something. Compass is the same since iOS 7. Crazy. And compass contact, FaceTime, no? Find my. Oh, I haven't changed my AirTag yet. Battery, yeah, the same, just a little bit of glass. After Find My, we go to magnifier. Oh, sorry, where? Okay, fitness, I show you already. A freeform, I have just menu, just a little bit of redesign, not much. Glass, not much. And game, I haven't launched game since release. So this is game. What color? White color. Glass, baby, glass. See? Glass is beautiful. Throughout the OS, you will feel brand new, like you install the new operating system, but you know how to use it. Health is blue. See that? After that, I will show you every app, every native app. Feedback, this is feedback. You need to sign in your account. And feedback, health, home. This is home. I don't have any device. In Cambodia it's not support, so it is what it is. Home, iTunes, there's no liquid glass on iTunes, see? The menu is still the same. They don't update iTunes. Why? iTunes still old design. After iTunes, wait. See how smooth it is? It's smooth, it's fast. Mail, I don't use mail, so yeah. Try category. Oh, it's gone. I mistouched it. Magnifier, I showed you already. Brand new design. So clear. And now it start to lag because we open a lot. Measure, password, phone, preview, yeah, preview everything. I change my Thailand attack first. Yeah, we have a video on that. Crazy time. Shortcut, oh, glass here. Only iTunes, no update. iTunes, So yeah, that's it. This is what you get, guys. Go get it.